behind your head. Very lovely. Thank you. Come on through. Please watch your step behind your head. So in case you need to come off, just press the emergency button there. Thank you, enjoy.
35 tons, has 42 individual air-conditioned gondolas, and is a spectacular sight at night, being illuminated by over 80,000 LED lights. While you're enjoying the views, we'll point out some of the famous city features. It was erected in 3 stages between 1886 and 1928, each stage using a different picnic and a popular choice for weddings. It's also home to the Brisbane River Stage, which hosts many local, national and international concerts and events each year. Next is location 5. Out to the east is the Goodwill Bridge, which was opened on choice for weddings. It's also home to the Brisbane River Stage, which hosts many local, national